We have just received a new confocal microscope for the entire Vassar College.
This microscope allows for the three-dimensional reconstruction of biological structures at single-cell resolution and all the way up to whole organisms. It's up to 4 times faster than our previous microscope.
The old microscope allowed us to look at these cells and grab information from these cells, but it really ended there. Here, everything is centralized. Images that used to take us 8 hours now take us an hour and a half. It's fully automated, and I have these high-quality images with data already along with them.
We are so excited to have this microscope. It's truly a transformative tool for both research and teaching at Vassar College. We wrote the grant to include other institutions in the Hudson Valley region. So we really think of it as a regional resource. And we're also hoping that we can expand the use of this microscope with other neighboring institutions.
The first time I looked through this microscope, I almost cried. This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and I cannot emphasize the time, the resolution, the overall amelioration of this apparatus. You look through the eyepieces and have a completely three-dimensional image.
This microscope is the same type of microscope that you might find at leading research institutions all over the world. It is, at this point in time, the most advanced confocal microscope that is available. So what this means for Vassar students is that they will be training on the same microscope as some of the top institutions in the world.
Everything you learn in textbooks, all the images that you see, everything up until this point has been purely on a two-dimensional plane, and that transition from 2 to 3D was something that I would never imagine having seen in my life. And getting to work with that every single day is a phenomenal opportunity.